What's the secret to increasing one-run curve and lateral success rates? Highly steerable yet stable bits. Recently, an operator in the Permian Basin set a single-run footage record in a 4-mile curve and lateral section. After a successful trial of 4-mile laterals, the operator wanted to drill multiple new wells, each 3.5 miles or longer. The operator turned to Halliburton to deliver a solution that would not only improve consistency in the curve, but increase run length in the lateral. On previous wells, bottomhole assemblies struggled to maintain penetration rates after landing the curve. This led to more BHAs required to make total depth. The challenge was to drill a curve and lateral in one run using a rotary steerable system, which would require a highly steerable yet stable bit. We used the HyperSteer directional drill bit to meet those challenges by offering reduced makeup length for side cutting while maintaining gauge length for stability. The bit met DLS requirements in the curve while producing low shock and vibration in the lateral, extending the RSS tool life. The result? The operator drilled a record-setting 20,565 foot in a single run, which led to reduced cost and operational time.